Good morning, friends. Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to create geodatabase in Arcgis software, right? So here there is number of layers in the form of line, in the form of point, in the form of polygon. So these are the GIS layers in the left side. Right side, this is the main view, front view of your all data. I'm making a geodatabase. Why it is important? Because generally it synchronizes the all data, or you can say geodatabase is basically give a structure to of your data. It gives you manner of storing the data so that very easily you can find, you can share, okay, you can manipulate. Number of facilities available. In fact, security option is also available in this geodatabase format. But most important thing is that uh, the person who does not have any knowledge about ArcGIS, they can also use this data. This is the big thing. So for making the geodatabase, we just click any directory where you want to create a data. For example, I have this data here in this directory, and I'm making here a database. uh, this is a folder. Here I will create a database of this whole. So already there is a database, so I'm making here, just right click here. You will find there are three kind of database, because we have a very small size of data. That's why I have choose only personal database. So go to personal database. You can change if you want. You can rename this database of correct. So now next, you just click here. Go to, I just created a single database. Now I need to give a structure by using feature datasets. So feature dataset is basically useful for categorizing the all layers in as per requirement, as per application, or you can say as per geometry. Geometry means maybe line dataset, point dataset, feature dataset. Here I am uh, giving point dataset. Just click here. Now it's very important thing. Coordinate system, projection system, data system should be the same as per the shapefile. So we should import the coordinate system of this database from shapefile. You can choose anyone. So I have given the coordinate system of the data. You can import directly. And keep in mind, both should be same. Both means database coordinate system and shapefile coordinate system should be common. So now I have created a point dataset. Again, you can create new. For example, line dataset. Go here. Again, you can import coordinate system. Here. You can also create for the area feature dataset. Now, so we have successfully given the structure. This is database, and these are the feature dataset. Feature dataset basically for categorization of data. For example, I have chosen line. So under line there is, you can create feature class or you can import directly. So I'm importing. There is two options. Single, you can import single layer. You can import multiple layer. For example, I want to import the multiple layers in this dataset for line category. So you can choose one by one here. Just right click and import only. Right. And one more thing, if you want to make a database of all features, so for that case you need not to make these categories. If you want to collect the all data in one folder, here I am just categorizing some line feature. Line feature means like I have to check what are the line feature, like culvert pipe is a line feature, plus demand point, drop point, garbage collection point, drop cable is a basically line feature again, plus distribution cable, yes, it is also line feature, plus feeder cable, yes, new road, it is. So I have just imported 5 classes. Go to oh, just okay. It will take little time to import because we have imported more than 4 layers, so that's why it take little time. So in this way you can create a data set, or you can say the class of line data set. Similarly, you can import the other layers, because in this folder there is number of layers, but I want to categorize, I want to give the structure, or you can say I want to give the frame. So that's why I have make a category of as per geometry, point, line and polygon of the data. And now software is importing. It's depend on the speed of your laptop, means what the processing speed, RAM and processor. Okay, so it should be very good quality, so that very less time you can perform your process easily. So let's see, it will show here in this right corner. If it will import successfully, then it will show the green signal or blue signal. If it will not work, then it will show red color. So I think the data has been imported, but still keep in mind, while processing this all activities, don't click anywhere. If you click anywhere, it may hang. See, the feature class of the Geodatabase multiple, see it is showing here multiple. This, that means under this line you have imported multiple classes, see, right? If you want for point, again you just click on point database, just right click, again go to import. You can choose multiple data set here. So for point I need to check, like yes, culvert pipe, plus demand points, yes, plus a drop point here, right? Some garbage collection point is there. So again you can just click here. Keep in mind the whole data is saving in this folder, whatever you have assigned earlier, as the same folder where you have saved your shape files. So now I'm importing the point feature. The all categories of this point feature will be imported in the same folder. Now you see, yes, this has been also successfully completed. You can check here up to point. See, in this point these layers has been generated. So now you just see here, you can do for area as well, right? So just go to file. I'm just making a new just don't save this. Now I will open the database which I have created by this name of Ghaziabad of database, sorry, database of Ghaziabad 2, right? So let's check where it is. I think you can check it. There is a folder. You can see here I have created this database, and if you want to share your data, you can give only this these two files, only two files. The whole data can be saved in it. You need not to copy these all SHP, SHX, PRG kind of things. Sometimes you miss the copy and paste, then your data is not working properly. Just go here again, just add your files where you have data. Just this is our database, this is file. Just go under this database, there is three you can say geometrical category: area, line and point. I have imported line, so you can import, you can open these all things here properly. Okay, you can check your lines here. If you want to open point, definitely you can do for point as well. Under this there are so many points. Suppose I need to check this zoom to layer, you will get the all line feature point feature, polygon feature. Okay, so in this way you can create a database of your shape files. It is very safe now, and the most important thing is that if you share this data to any person, and if you have really good version of you can say original version of MS Office, MS Access, so you can access this data by using Excel also. So thank you friend, see you in the next video with good kind of content. Thanks to all, thanks for watching. If you think this is interesting,